the news in details. Sonia Gandhi to continue as the interim president of the Indian National Congress. After a crucial meeting of the Congress Working Committee on Monday, the decision-making body has made the similar decision. Crucial Congress Working Committee meeting has kick-started on Monday. At the opening remarks at the meeting, called in the wake of the section of leaders seeking a full-time and visible Congress president, after a letter was written by 23 senior party leaders for sweeping reforms in the party. Top Congress leaders deliberated on the leadership issues during the virtual meeting of the party's top decision-making body. Strong comments in favor of the Gandhi leadership came up, which mentioned that the voices of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi have inspired generations, adding that CWC unanimously requests Sonia Gandhi to continue to lead the Congress party. K.C. Venugopal mentioned that Monday a 7-hour-long meeting was held. All the participants spoke and participated in the deliberations.
Importantly, the voices of our two leaders have inspired generations of Indians, both within and outside of the Indian National Congress, to rise and demand answers from the government, which seeks to desperately distract the people through shallow and manufactured issues. It is under their leadership that crores of Congress workers and supporters have reached out to fill the large, callous gaps in governance left by this government, as a result of which millions belonging to the poor and middle classes have been unjustly deprived of their rights and their livelihoods. Fourthly, the CWC notes that inner party issues cannot be deliberated through the media or in a public fora. The CWC urges and advises all concerned to raise such issues only in party fora in the interest of propriety and decency.
Extensively deliberating on the letters and places on the record, the CWC stated, last 6 months have seen multiple crises including coronavirus pandemic and downward spiraling of the economy. After hours of deliberations during the CWC meeting, it was decided that Sonia Gandhi will continue to remain the interim party chief. A panel will also be formed to help Sonia Gandhi in her day-to-day functioning. All India Congress Committee AICC session will be called within 6 months. Before the CWC meeting started, from all over the country, representatives, senior leaders, members and workers of the Congress party wrote letter to All India Congress President Sonia Gandhi urging her to remain as the High Command of the party. Ex-Chief Minister Goa, organizational in charge of AICC Northeast, Mr. Luisino Valerio, who also remained present during the CWC meeting, expressed huge faith and belief on Sonia Gandhi and requested her to continue leading the party. Bureau Report, Halabol.